Welcome to my MOTO freak channel. Reaching the 500,000 mile club is less about luck and more about a dedicated, almost obsessive relationship with preventative maintenance. It's the marathon approach to car ownership, slow, steady, and disciplined. Here is the roadmap to keeping your engine turning well into its second or third decade. 1. The fluid philosophy. Fluids are the lifeblood of your vehicle. Over time, they break down or become contaminated, leading to friction and heat, the two biggest killers of high-mileage cars. Oil changes. Don't just follow the oil life monitor. Change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles using high-quality, full synthetic oil and a premium filter. Transmission fluid. Many manufacturers claim lifetime fluid, but for 500K miles, that's a myth. Drain and fill. Don't power flush every 60,000 miles. Coolant and brake fluid. These are hygroscopic. They absorb water or acidic over time. Flush them according to the manual to prevent internal corrosion of the radiator and lines. 2. Drive like a grandparent. Mostly, how you treat the pedal directly impacts metal fatigue. The warm-up. Give the car 30 seconds to circulate oil before driving, and drive gently until the temperature gauge reaches the middle. Most engine wear happens during cold starts. Avoid short trips. Engines need to reach full operating temperature to burn off moisture in the oil. If you only drive 2 miles to the store, take the long way home once in a while. Smooth inputs. Avoid floor-to-ceiling acceleration and slamming on the brakes. This preserves the engine mounts, transmission seals, and suspension components. 3. Don't ignore the small things. At 200,000 miles, it's rarely the engine block that fails. It's a $20 plastic clip or a $50 hose that snaps, causes overheating, and then kills the engine. Rubber components. Replace belts and hoses before they crack. A snap timing belt is an instant death sentence for many engines. Suspension and alignment. Worn shocks or bad alignment put extra stress on the chassis. Keep the ride tight to prevent the car from shaking itself apart. The listen rule. If you hear a new squeak, click, or hum, investigate it immediately. Small vibrations lead to large fractures. 4. Cosmetic preservation. A car with a perfect engine but a rusted-out frame is a total loss. Wash the undercarriage, especially if you live in the salt belt. Rust is the only thing you truly cannot mechanic your way out of once it takes hold. Wax and protect. UV rays destroy clear coats and interior plastics. Keeping the car clean makes you more likely to actually want to keep it for 20 years. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe, share, and support to the MOTO Freak channel. Be sure to visit my shop, MOTO Freak too. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.